today's tutorial is about tenant eviction search, which is a crucial step in the rental process. So if you are a property owner or professional property manager, this video is for you. So go to searchbug.com and under business services, you'll see professional skip tracing tools. Then you can proceed to eviction search. And please note, to use the tool, you have to have a restricted access. You can apply for it for $147, and once you get approved, you'll be able to access all our search tools. You can search by social security number or by name and address. So for example, I have the social security number here. Let's search for it. Okay, so the search has been completed but no records were found. That means the social security number is clean. This person doesn't have any previous eviction records. So let me show you the sample report instead. If the person you're searching for has eviction records, it will look like this. It will tell you the personal information such as name, address, and social security number, as well as the case details including the state, case number, court, file date, and judgment amount, and of course the defendant details. Evicting a tenant can be very expensive, so if you need a quick, low-cost, and effective method to screen your tenants for previous evictions, this is the best tool that you can use. Thank you so much for watching!